Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Let's all welcome the star of Quezona, Lala Chan. Hi, Lala. Say hi, Lala Chan. Wala sa Bubble Area Club. Of course, not. Okay, let's dance with Lala Chan. Alright, three, two, one, dance. Very good. Okay. Alright, hello everyone! Nasa Bulbul area, let's say hi to Lala Chan! And we are inviting all of you to join us today. Hello po! Yung pala sa narinig ay padaanin natin si Lala Chan. Lala Chan, invite natin yung mga tao dito sa narinig. Hello po! Welcome to Jonas Lala Chan! Napigat po naman si Lala Chan. Pupunta tayo dito sa event area. Maglalaro tayo kasama siyempre ng ginisang Lala Chan. Yung mga nasa toy corner and traveling area. Hello po! Welcome to Quezona and we are inviting all of you kasama si Lala Chan sa ating game ngayong hapon. Ayan, nandito naman Lala Chan sa baby corner. Invite natin yung mga kids natin. Alright? Sundan natin si Lala Chan dito sa ating event area. Pasok na po tayo dyan. Alright? Samahan natin si Lala Chan dito sa ating event area kasi meron tayong game kasama siya. And we are inviting all the kids, lahat po ng kids. Punta na kayo dito yung mga gustong sumali in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ayan, lapit na po kayo. Sige na kuya, punta ka na doon, ha? 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, Lala Chan, dito ka Lala Chan. Usog ka sa likod. Very good. Taas ang kamay ng mga kids natin. When I say hi, you will say hello. Hi! You will say hello. Okay, pag sinabi kong hi, sasabihin nyo hello. Hi! Very good. Before we start, I am requesting all the guardians sa labas po muna tayo ng ating event area so we can maximize the space. Okay, kids? Taas ang kamay. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake of hands. Ayan, invite natin yung ibang kids. Ayan natin ba? Oh, ang dami pa natin kids dito. So, before we start, magpapakilala muna kami. We are the event team of Quezona Legazpi. My name is Kuya Ron, together with Ate Da, Ate Bal, and of course, our very old, 5 years old, Pink is Squirrel from Japan, Lala Chan! Say hi, Lala Chan! Hi, Lala Chan! Okay, Lala Chan. Sabi nila, hello. Ayun, gusto mo na ba Lala Chan mag-play? Ay, hindi. Bakit Lala Chan hindi pa mag-play? Ay, oo nga pala, nakalimutan ni Kuya Ron. Magda-dance muna tayo. Sinong magaling mag-dance? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, lahat daw marunong Lala Chan mag-dance. Okay, let's see kung sino ang magaling mag-dance. Ayan, join na kayo atin, Kuya. Ayan, lapit kayo dito sa amin. Huwag kayong mahiya. Ayan, sila po gusto pa nila sumali, Ate Dao. Marami pa dito sa likod. Lala Chan, our first step, Lala, is clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Left and right. Okay. Next, Lala Chan is stomp your feet. Ayan, ganyan daw po yung paa. Very good. Naintindihan po si Lala Chan? Yes. Okay, Lala Chan. Are you ready, Lala? Yes. Kids, are you ready? Yes, Lala Chan, let's start. In 3, 2, 1, dance. Okay, swing natin, clap natin yung hands natin. Okay. Get ready to swing your hands. Very good. Okay, side, side. Okay, get ready to clap. In 3, 2, 1, clap. Very good. One more. And stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp. And swing.
Swing, swing your arms.
Swing. Very good. And shake, shake, shake.
And sing with me.
One more. And swing. Very good. Okay. And let's say hooray. In 3, 2, 1. Hooray! palakpakan naman ang ating mga kids. Ang gagaling naman sumayaw. Now, please sit down. Let's sit down. Ayan, gayahin si Ate Val. Sit down. Ganyan. Very good. So, our game for today is Tag of War. Maglalaro tayo ng Tag of War. Nakapag-play na ba ng Tag of War? Yes. Okay, pero yung iba hindi pa alam kung ano ang Tag of War. So, let's play kung ano ang Tag of War. So, here, meron po tayo dito. Rope and then may color pink na marker. Anong color ng marker natin? Pink. Very good. And then may cone para dito natin malalaman kung lumagpas na yung ating marker. So, ang gagawin natin, ibababa muna natin. Wait lang muna. Sit down, sit down. Okay. Ang gagawin natin, magka-count ako ng 3, 2, 1. At sasabihin ko, pull! Saka natin ipupull yung ating rope. Dapat malakas na malakas ang pag-pull natin. And then, pag napunta sa grupo ninyo, ang ating marker, meron kayo 1 point. Ilang point daw po pag napunta sa inyong marker? Ilang points po? 1 point. Very good. And then meron tayong 3 rounds. Kung sino ang unang maka 2 points, siya po ang panalo. Okay, yes po, Lala? Okay. Sabi ni Lala Chan, before we start, meron muna tayong safety reminders. Okay? So first is, no pushing. No pushing. Wala pong magtutulakan. And the next, Lala, is no jumping. Wala daw pong tatalon. And lastly, hold the rope firmly and pull as harder as you can. Ayan, hilain po natin ng malakas na malakas. And then, Lala Chan, ano pa yung pinakahuli natin? Sabi ni Lala Chan, manalo, matalo, lahat po tayo ay panalo dito sa Kids Zone na. Alright, naintindihan po si Lala Chan? Naintindihan po ba si Lala Chan? Opo, now Lala Chan, mag-start na ba tayo? Yes, okay, please stand up and group yourself into 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we have ilang 3 yan, Ate Val? Yan, Ate Da? Dalawa. Ayan, hatiin na po natin sila for Team A and Team B. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Team A, Lala Chan. Lala, dito sa Team A, Team A. Team A, raise your hands kay Ate Da. Kayo po ang Team A. Very good. So, kayo Team A, ang sasabihin nyo, go Team A! Go Team A! Isisigaw nyo yun, okay? Sabay-sabay na tayo. In 3, 2, 1... Go Team A! Ayan, ulitin natin, hindi nila naintindihan. Isa pa, in 3, 2, 1...
Go Team A! Go Team A!
Very good. Ayan, dito sa Team A, okay na tayo. Team B kayo naman, dahil Team B kayo, ang isisigaw nyo ay... Go Team B! Go Team B! Okay, sabay-sabay, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Go Team B! Go Team B!
Ayan, parehas malakas now, please. Arms forward. Lalachan, arms forward tayo. Okay, and let's follow Lalachan. Pupunta tayo doon sa ball pool area para doon tayo maglaro, okay? Isigaw natin ang group natin. Go Team A! Go Team B! Go Team A! Go Team B! Ayan, dahan-dahan lamang po sa paglalakad. Okay, excuse po. Ayan, wait lang muna. Wait lang po tayo aalis sa linya. Wait lang po, wait lang. Okay, Team A, dito kayo sa right side. And the Team B naman sa left side. Okay, Team A and Team B. Ayan, lalachan, lala. Okay, please, raise your hands. Raise your hands and shake, shake, shake. Dalawang kamay. Okay, nasan yung mga guardians ng Team A natin? Dito po ba? Ayan, nandun meron. Bigyan naman natin ng pang-cheer ang ating mga Team A na guardians. Nasa naman po yung Team Team B na Guardians. Ayun, nandito, meron. Bigyan naman natin sila ng pang-cheer. Okay? Ayun, taas mo ng kamay. Raise your hands, please. Please release the rope. Bitawan natin yung rope. Taas mo na yung kamay. Taas mo yung kamay. Taas yung kamay. Hands up. Hands up. Please release the rope. Release the rope, please. Bitawan mo na natin taas ang kamay. Taas ang kamay. Ayan, ready na ang ating mga guardian. May mga pag-cheer ng tawa. Ready na silang lalasal. Hands up, shake, 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 shake. Gusto ko makita yung shake. Shake, shake, shake ng hands. Shake, shake, shake. Gusto ko makita yung shake ng hands. Okay. Shake ng hands, shake, shake, shake. Ayusin natin ang rope. Taas mo muna ang kamay. Taas mo muna ang kamay. Hands up, please. Hands up, please. Release the rope. Release the rope, please. Okay. Team A. Team A. Are you ready, Team A? Ay, parang mahina. Team A, are you ready? Yes. Team B, are you ready? Parang mahina rin. Team B, are you ready? Yes, ready na. Guardians, are you ready? Yes, ready na. Let's start. Round 1, Lala. In 3, 2, 1, go! Go! 12, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Very good. Raise your hands and shake, shake, shake. Ang gagaling naman, sa round ng Lala, ang nanalo ay Team B! Yes, 1 point! Very good. Dito naman sa kabila, babawi tayo Team A. Gagalingin natin. Ang itaas ang kamay, meron pa tayong round 2. Taas mo ng kamay, bitawan muna natin yung rope. Bitawan ko muna natin. Okay. Shake yung hands, shake, 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 shake. Tingnan si Lala, nagsishake ng hands, dalawang kamay. Very good. Lala Chan, ready ka na ba Lala Chan for round 2? Yes. Team A, are you ready? Team A, are you ready? Yes. Team B, are you ready? Yes. Guardians, are you ready? Let's start round 2. In 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 pull! 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 15, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Ayan, taas ang kamay. Raise your hands, everyone. Very good, Lala Chan. Sino ang nanalo, Lala Chan, sa round 2? Ang nanalo ay Team A! Yay! You also have 1 point. Very good. Parehas na may 1 point, Lala. So, in this round, malalaman na natin kung sino ang panalo. Okay, hands up and shake, shake, shake. Sabi ni Lala Chan, lapit daw kayo lapit. Ayun, bitawan ko muna natin yung rope. Okay. Palapitin po natin sila. Team A and Team B, dapat malapit po tayo dito sa phone. Bitawan ko muna.
Ate Bal! Ate Bal! Ate Bal!
Okay. Lala, ready ka na ba, Lala Chan? Yes, ready na si Lala Chan. Team A, are you ready? Team A, are you ready? Ay, parang hindi pa ready ang Team A natin. Team A, taas ang kamay. Team A, are you ready? Yes. Team B, are you ready? Guardians, are you ready? Ay, hindi pa ready ang Guardians natin. Guardians, are you ready? Let's start round 3. In 3, 2, 1, go! Pull! 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, The tug of war ay walang iba kundi ang Team B! Yay! Kaya nanalo doon, 13 na sa lahat tayo dito sa Kidzone na ay panalo. So please, raise your hands, Team A. Very good, Team A. Team A, let's give 5 claps. Ang Team B at sasabihin natin, very good. After the clap, alright? In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Alright, talagang dito naman tayo sa kabila. The winning team, the Team B. Very good, Team B. Ang lalakas nyo naman. So, Team B, magbibigay tayo ng 3 claps. Okay? 3 claps for Team A na natin natin. Good job. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Shake, oh, jump. Let's jump right now. 3, 2, 1. Jump. Very good. Okay, now hands up and shake. Get ready to dance. The final dance. Love is a treasure. Okay, shake. Slowly up. And then slowly down. Get ready to jump. 3, 2, 1. Jump. And march. Very good. Down. One more. March. And side to side. Alright, get ready to shake your hands. Shake. Make a wave. To the other side. Now touch your shoulders. Touch your head. And jump. Very good. And wave. Make a circle. Make a fish. And march. And let's jump. Very good. And wave. Musky. To the other side. Now let's point. Very good. And let's bend our knees. Touch your heart. And let's turn around. Ikot po tayo. Get ready to jump. Jump. Very good. And clap. Down. And march. Jump. Very good. And clap. Down. And side to side. Get ready to jump. In 3, 2, 1, jump! Ay, palapakan naman natin ang ating mga kids. Ang magaling naman sa maya. Now, please sit down. Opo tayong lahat. Lalachan, ready na ba yung surprise mo para sa kanila? Yes. Okay, let's open the box. Are you excited to open the box? Yes. Now, please sit down and let's count. 3, 2, 1. At sasabihin natin, surprise! Dapat malakas na malakas. Sabay-sabay tayo. 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Ayan, lalachan. Dito ka nalalachan sa likod. Okay, lahat ng kids ay makakakuha. Dahan-dahan lang ako. Please, sit down tayo na kami nilalachan. Lalachan, dito ka na sa likod, Lala. Okay, sit down tayo katabi nilalachan. Okay, kids, raise your balloons. When I say kids do na, everybody will shout, hooray! And you will wave your balloons, okay? Sabay-sabay tayo sisigaw ng hooray! parade pag nagsabi ako ng kids zone ah. Okay? Ayan, meron pa po dito wala. Okay? Sabay-sabay tayo kids, sisigaw ng hooray! Sabay-sabay. In 3, 2, 1, kids zone ah! Hooray! Very good. Gusto ko mas malakas po dyan. Parents and guardians sa gitna po tayo para mas maganda po ang kuha natin. Kids, sabay-sabay. In 3, 2, 1, kids zone ah! Isa pa. In 3, 2, 1, kids zone ah! Very good. Smile po sa mga camera nila, Mami and Daddy. Okay, Lala Chan, it's time for your message. Ay, dito ka na, Lala Chan, daan. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa ating mga kids ngayong araw? Ano? Ayan, sabi ni Lala Chan, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy po ba? Ayan, sinong gusto mag-birthday? Kasama si Lala Chan. Ayan, lahat naman siguro gusto makasama si Lala Chan sa birthday nila. That's why we are inviting all the parents and guardians na magpabook na po ng party dito sa Kids Zone na please. Don't hesitate to ask our friendly partners for more information. Okay, kids, now it's time for us to say goodbye to Lala Chan kasi meron po siyang birthday party pupuntahan. So, let's say bye, Lala Chan! Bye, Lala! Ayan, see you again tomorrow, 3:15 in the afternoon for another sports activity. Bye, everyone! Yung mga gusto po magpa-picture sa trampoline area na lang po tayo.